am super excited. This morning I am going to start decorating our alfresco area for our Christmas in July. Now I love decorating our alfresco area any time of the year, but particularly for Christmas in July because it's where we have our open fireplace. And for me, there is nothing cozier than getting underneath a rug and having an open fire to gaze at. I also love creating a hot chocolate bar, which our grandchildren will enjoy, but also our friends will enjoy. And it features in the Christmas in July party that we will have at the end of July. So I hope you enjoy as I share with you how I decorate our Christmas in July alfresco area. Let's go. I'm getting started on the mantelpiece. I've got this beautiful white fur alpine garland, which is really flexible. I'm fluffing it all out so I've got lots of depth in it. And then I'm going to blend in some lights. I love adding lights to my decorating wherever I can. They just give a real magical feel. I've then got this beautiful white and silver garland. It's got so many different elements in it with the twigs and the white hydrangeas. It comes with a matching wreath and a spray, and I've used 2 of the sprays to make this mirror swag. I made a beautiful white and silver bow using 2 different ribbons to join in the middle of the swags, and then I'm just hanging it above the mirror using a removable hook. I shape it all out and make sure it looks nice and full, and just tape down the tails and trim them so it sits beautifully on the mirror. One of the ways I find updating the alfresco space for any type of seasonal celebration is by changing out the rug that I have here. This black and white striped one is perfect for our Christmas in July because I'm keeping the colour palette very monotone. I'm now just creating a little vignette for the coffee table and bringing in some of my black lanterns, a couple of coordinating cushions, and we are all done. I'm using a silver foil curtain as the backdrop for my hot chocolate bar. It's a really easy way to bring a bit of colour and shimmer to the area and at the same time cover up the ugly brick. Now, on my hot chocolate bar, I like to have a few liqueurs for the adults, as well as some chocolates and candies for the kids and maybe for the adults too. Throughout July, I will have a different assortment of hot chocolate sachets so that we can easily make just 1 cup of hot chocolate. But I do have my crock pot ready to fill up with either hot chocolate or on party night I will fill it up with Glühwein. I'm taking a silver foil curtain right across the front of our servery, but I can still very easily open the windows and pass any platters through that I might like to. I've got a very sparkly silver table runner that I'll put down the middle of the servery, and all my platters and plates will go there. Now I've got these gigantic silver stars that I bought quite a long time ago, and I love them because they actually take up very little space. They zip up the centre and there's such a big impact. Really lightweight and the perfect decoration to hang from the ceiling above our servery. And of course, it wouldn't be a Christmas in July party without a little champagne station. So I've got a really cute tray here with an ice bucket and the champagne flutes, and I've decorated around it with one of the silver frost garlands and a few tabletop trees. Adding in a few little elements like baubles and snowflakes is just a really sweet way to finish off this area. And then just when I thought I was finished, I realised I'd forgotten to hang up the curtain lights. These are just a really sweet way to finish off this space and give it a really magical feel. I am so happy with the way it all turned out. It feels really magical and it's still got a real party vibe, which is what I was hoping to create. We love sitting out here sharing a glass of wine, and we're really looking forward to our Christmas in July party when we can share it with all of our friends too. Now, if you love Christmas decorating, I think you'll love our Celebration Central community on Facebook. It's a great place with very supportive and friendly members who share loads of ideas. I host weekly lives as well as giveaways and exclusive member-only specials to our 2 online stores, the Christmas Cart and Gifts and Keepsakes. I would love to get to know you over there. Well, I hope you got a few ideas and some inspiration from how I decorated our Christmas in July Alfresco area ready for our party in a couple of weeks' time. I've got one more video to come out, which will be how I have decorated our entryway and set the table for our dinner party. Until then, remember, life is meant to be celebrated.